Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily enable director mode on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application on your device and in the camera section, scroll below in the arrow option. Then click on director mode and now you have entered the director mode in Snapchat. On the right hand side, you will see a lot of menu. At the bottom, it's the import media. Then you have flash option, timer, using which you can set timer for the video. Then you have the green screen option. After that, we have the filter option. At the top, you can see a lot of categories. Feature, tools, interactive. You can choose any one for your video or photo. Then after you can see there's the option of adding music as well. And at the top, you have the option to flip your camera. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.